In today's complex IT landscape, businesses are looking for more than just powerful point solutions. They need integrated systems that create new value. Broadcom is at the forefront of this, enabling partners to build innovative solutions by combining technologies from across its extensive portfolio. Today, I'm joined by Farouk Al-Shorafa from Broadcom and Bob Schwartz from Robert Mark Technologies to tell us more. Now, Farouk, Broadcom has industry-leading solutions spanning from enterprise software to security. How is Broadcom fostering innovation by bringing these solutions together to solve customer challenges?
So at Broadcom, we are a large technology company, and so we have a large suite of solutions that solve different challenges that customers have, whether it's in security or within automation or other areas. So our approach to partnering has been by building an ecosystem of dedicated partners that are hyper-focused in particular domains. However, there are scenarios in which customers need to solve for problems that are cross-divisional or cross-product. A strong example of that is where we have a data loss protection product from our Symantec division, or ESG, that is a market-leading solution in identifying data leakage issues. However, that creates the challenge of remediations that need to be addressed, and are often addressed manually. So we are marrying that with our partners who focus on our enterprise automation products to be able to automatically remediate those challenges. And so that's where we brought our security partners and our automation partners together.
That's a great transition. Bob, from your perspective at Robert Mark Technologies, what customer challenges are you seeing? And how does combining Automic Automation and Symantec DLP help address them?
RMT and Broadcom have gone to great lengths to actually get ourselves to a point where we can convince clients and have them understand that workload automation is no longer just batch. This is a great example of that. And so when we talk to clients and we find out a little bit about their pains and challenges, we're finding out that they've gone through great lengths to be able to get themselves into a position where they can check the boxes and say, your data is secure, everything's good. And in doing that, we've seen there's a lot that they've done to get there, a lot of manual effort that coincides with monitoring, learning, ticketing, alert management, and so forth. So from our perspective, we've helped them understand, you already have Symantec DLP, you already have Automic, let's mirror them together. Automic is fantastic with being able to put hooks into any application you're looking to automate. So it does this with ease, and it becomes the kind of this, the orchestrator of orchestrators and the central point of their environment. And it can take what's being done that's manually and automate that into Automic so that the operations teams can manage by exception as opposed to do all this manual effort.
That sounds incredibly impactful. Can you share an aha moment a customer had when they saw the solution in action?
Sure. So we've worked with many clients and we talk to them about the exact thing I just mentioned, which is the manual effort that they go through to be able to achieve the data protection that they need to be able to achieve. And so when we start to kind of peel the onion back and look at all of the different layers of manual steps required just to be in that position, and then we start to show them how Automic and Symantec DLP work together to be able to reduce all of that manual effort. Obviously, that's a big aha moment for them. But when we ask them, what are you thinking? They say, well, where else can we apply this same technology and this functionality to get more automation in our environment? Which obviously works for all parties involved, Broadcom, RMT, and the client, because that's what we're all after is automation.
This is a fantastic example of partner-led innovation from the Expert Advantage partner community. Farouk, to wrap up, how does this market approach reflect Broadcom's broader strategy for its EAP community?
So Broadcom is an unusual technology company, or maybe different. We have a different approach to our partnership. We hyper-focus on building the best technology that we can, the best technology that the market can use. And we do not enter into the services delivery business, right? Unlike most software companies, that is not something that we do. What we've done instead was build and nurture an ecosystem of Expert Advantage partners who are hyper dedicated and hyper focused in delivering those outcomes to our customers. And so what that does is it creates a very symbiotic relationship between us and our expert advantage partners, where they know that we're there to support them in delivering those outcomes to our customers. They know that they've got our support in doing so, and our customers are getting the best outcomes to the business challenges that they are looking to address.
Farouk and Bob, thank you so much for your time and insights today. You can find more customer success stories like this on Broadcom's Insights platform by visiting the website on your screen. For the Channel Company, I'm Sydney Neely.